Hello friends, in the last video I have, I have give you the brief description about the binary trees. In this video I am going to explain you about various tree traversal techniques. What is tree traversal? As we know that traversal is a process to visit all the nodes of a tree and may print their values too. Because of all the nodes are connected via edges or links, we always start from the root node to traverse in a particular tree. That is, we cannot randomly access a node in a tree, as if we all know that tree is a hierarchical structure. There are three different ways in which we use to traverse a tree. Traversal is a process to visit all the nodes of a tree and may print their values. All the nodes connected via edges. We always start from the root node, as I already mentioned. Next is there are three different ways to traverse a tree: in order, in order traversal, pre-order traversal, and post-order traversal. What is uh, in generally we traverse the tree to search or locate given element in the tree or to print the values it contains in the tree. Next is there are three different ways I already mentioned: in order, pre-order, in order, and post order, where that pre, in, and post relocates or defines the position of the root node. In pre-order, root should be visited first. In in order, root is visited after the left subtree, and in post order, root is visited at last. That is the reason it is mentioned in pre-order, in order, and post order respectively. In general, what is in order traversal we can say? In this traversal method, the left subtree is visited first, then the root, and later the right subtree. We should always remember that every node may represent a subtree itself. If a binary tree is traversed in order, the output will produce sorted key values in an ascending order. Look at the given diagram over here. A simple diagram of three different nodes, say A, B, and C. We can consider A as a root, B is the left part of the tree, and C is the right part of the tree. While visiting it in order, we first visited the left side of the tree, that is B, then the root node, that is A, and at last the right node, that is C. So the in order of a particular tree is exactly like B, A, and C. If a binary tree is traversed in order, the output will produce the sorted key values or sorted elements in an ascending order, we can say. The there are three different steps in which step 1 includes recursively traverse the left subtree, step 2 includes visit the root node, and step 3 recursively traverse the right subtree. Same, I'm going to again come on the same topic, that is pre-order and post-order with respect to this particular diagram. Pre-order traversal, in this traversal method, we can now go with the pre-order traversal. I have two or three more examples related to this as well after in the next slide. In the traversal, in this pre-order traversal method, the root node is visited first, then the left subtree, and finally the right subtree. Here we follow the same algorithm again, where there are again three different steps. Step 1 is visit the root node. Step 2 is recursively traverse the left subtree. Step 3 is recursively traverse the right subtree. Here, if we did the same thing, if we follow the same algorithm, first is visit the node. Ultimately, it should be in pre-order. Remember, in pre-order, always the first element in the answer is always be like the root node, whatsoever the root node it may be. In pre-order, it will comes first, that is A always be the first node of the pre-order in this for this given diagram. A, then B, that is left subtree, and then the C, that is right subtree. So the pre-order of this particular tree is A, B, and C. Now we can see about the post order. What is post order traversal? With respect to this diagram, I have pseudocode along with all these three different traversal techniques in the next upcoming slides. In which, in the post order traversal, the root node is visited at last, hence the name post order. First we traverse the left subtree, then we traverse the right subtree, and finally at last the root node. So ultimately left subtree of the given tree is B, then we can directly jump to the right subtree, that is C, then we can, and at last we can visit the root node, that is A. So the post order of this particular tree is B, C, and A. The algorithm for the same is again belongs to three different steps. Step number 1 is recursively traverse the left subtree. Step number 2 is recursively traverse the right subtree, and step number 3 is visit the root node. Accordingly, we have to traverse in the given tree. For the same, again some different diagram is there. So accordingly, the pre-order, in-order, and post-order is given over here. So pre-order of this particular tree is as follows, that is pre means root will be at first, then in order means root will be at in middle, and post means root will always be at the last. So the pre-order of this given diagram or the given tree should be like, firstly the root node, then left subtree, and then right subtree recursively. So this is the basic concept. So first is A will print, then on the left hand side there is again one left subtree which is having the root B, which is again having the two different childs, that is D and E. So A, B, then D, then E. It means the left part is already covered after the root. Accordingly, recursively we have to traverse on the right hand side again. So right hand side there is a root node of that right subtree, which is C. So we can print C, then left, that is F, then right, that is G. That's it. So the pre-order of the given diagram is like, given tree diagram is like A, B, D, E, C, F, G. Same thing is relates to in order. In order, it means root will be in the middle. So extreme leftmost element of the given tree will be printed first or will be visited first. So extreme left node of the tree is D. Then in order means the root of the D is B. So after D there will be B and then E. D, B, E means the left subtree then will come back to the main root, that is A. D, B, E, A. At last on the right hand side again the same process. So leftmost of the right hand side tree or right subtree will be F, then C, and then G. Same thing for post order as well. D, E, B, F, G, C, A. A will always be at the last, as I already followed the algorithm to traverse in the whole tree as well. Like post order, left, right, and then root. So leftmost element will be B, the right of left subtree, that is E, then of the root, that is B, D, E, B. Apart from visiting the root, we have to visit on the right subtree, that is F, by same procedure, F, G, C, and at last the main root, that is A. So this is all about the things in which pre-order traversal for this given diagram is also somewhat different. There is one pseudocode that I want to discuss it with you, where the character, data, or node which will be on the left, then node, then right for pre-order. Pre-order means the node which is at the left first, a root node will give it visited, then left, and then right. If root is equal to null, return printf root is the data, where pre-order is root is greater than or somewhat left, then root, and then right. That's it. So in pre-order we can follow the simple concept. Root will be visited first, then the left part or left subtree, and then the right part or right subtree. Same thing in order. In order means, it means firstly we have to visit the left side of the tree or the left subtree recursively, then the root node, and at last traverse the right subtree in again the in order part. So some same pseudocode is there. So post order traversal is again somewhat different. Like first of all we have to visit the left subtree in post order, then right subtree in again in post order, and then at last we have to visit the root node accordingly. For this given diagram, the in order, pre order, and post order is mentioned over here. Simple. Firstly, if we follow the algorithm, we can definitely get the perfect answer for this, for any of the particular diagram, not for this diagram. Same thing at last, the post order pseudocode is given below, character data, which node character data, node at left, node at right, and at last we have to visit the root node. So ultimately, if you follow the algorithm stepwise, you may 100% get the perfect answer with respect to this tree traversal techniques. So this is all about the tree traversal techniques. Thank you for patience hearing.